Guys, has anyone ever pulled the rug out from under your feet? Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English, and as you deduced, today's expression is to pull the rug out from under your feet. Now, what this means is basically a rug is like, I think in Spanish you say like tapeta. It's like an alfombra, but it's small. And imagine if you're standing on a tapete or on this rug is the word. If you're standing on the rug and somebody grabs it and pulls it, you are going to whoa! You're going to fall back, right? So the idea that somebody does this, that somebody pulls the rug out from under your feet and makes you fall, we use that concept as an expression to say that when somebody gives you information that just blows your mind, it pulls the rug out from under your feet. Okay, so how do we use this expression in context? Well, basically, when somebody pulls the rug out from under your feet, they're giving you information that's blowing your mind. What could that be? Well, for example, maybe one day your mother says to you, "Oh, baby, I need to tell you something. You're adopted." Yeah, you're adopted. You'd be like, "What? Oh my God, I thought you were my mother. I thought Dad was my dad, and now you're saying that's not true? Oh my God, you're blowing my mind. You pulled the rug out from under my feet." Yeah? See if you can, in the comments below, see if you can give me an example of when somebody pulled the rug out from beneath your feet. Guys, as usual, if you like these videos, click subscribe below, share them with your friends, give me some comments, click on the like, and as always, have a fantastic day.